Welcome to Brot's Consignment Furniture Warehouse. I'm your man, Bill Rotz. I got a good one for you today. Let's see how we're starting off the new year in our warehouse. As you can see, from the minute you walk in the door, we keep top quality furniture. This beautiful table, if I had room for it, sure, it would be at the other showroom. No room. You'll see when I walk out here, there's no room out here for it. We are always fully loaded. Over there is where we take pictures of the furniture when it comes in. I keep this awesome made sofa here. This is Stanley, all American made. This fabric on it, it's the Revolution. Mildew resistant, stain resistant, fade resistant, made in the USA. We have the sleeper, the sofa, the love seat, matching chair. I mean, we got goodies everywhere, folks. Let's get back to the show. Cabinets, cabinets, cabinets. We've received some cabinets. See this turtle cabinet here? This is reclaimed wood from India. Solid. We don't put that together. This piece here, that's closed out. It's discontinued. Unfortunately, it's sold. It's sold since I filmed this video. I've been busy. I filmed this video about 10 days ago, folks. Since then, I've received about 30 more cabinets. Check out our website, www.239furniture.com. I try to post it on there as soon as I can. I give you all the measurements. I give you the prices. Anything you need to know. If there's something there you're not sure about, give us a call. 239-288-6234. We're here for you. Either way, let's get back to it. Wow, can you tell that we like quality furniture? That's one thing we do. We like quality furniture. New or used, we like quality. Now this gray sofa and love seat, we've already moved it to the new showroom. We had a holiday weekend just go by. We made space. We fit it over there. That white bookcase, I've sold it. It's gone. Unfortunately, things go sometimes faster than I can put them on the video and get the video posted. Either way, let's get back to it. We got a little bit more to show you. I think I have this addiction to buying furniture. I mean, we are full. That was my photo gallery area. The showroom is completely full here. The showroom at the other store is full. The racks are full. I mean, we are full. And I have about 20 appointments to look at more furniture this week. I have a couple more trucks coming this week. Folks, it's changing. Let's get back to it because there's more to look at. Yeah, we still have mattresses in the warehouse as well. Hope you're enjoying the new camera view this week. This is our first video with the new camera lens. Hopefully it's showing you a little bit better colors, a little bit more details and things that you couldn't see before. Now we're almost done. There's not nearly as much in the back this week because I am stocking a bunch of sold furniture for folks. Let's finish it up, folks. As you can see, our warehouse has lots of nice stuff as well. It's not all at the showroom. Selection here is always changing. Selection at the showroom's always changing. I can't stress enough, folks, you have to go to our website, www.239furniture.com. I spend way more time working on that than I do on the videos. Now let's finish this up. Come and see us 7 days a week. Give us a call, 239-288-6234. Website, 239furniture.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.